So I've got a mini split made by Mr. Cool, and it's a 24K unit. Not that that matters, but it's the Gen 4, and it's supposed to have a smart controller. And up under the front cover, it shows this. Well, it shows different than any documentation and videos I've found, so I thought I'd document this. I believe that the little dongle is supposed to go in under here. You have to stick something in there to pry open the clip and pull it down. So let's give that a shot. So I stuck a screwdriver up in there and kind of pushed that tab over, and then came over here and kind of pried it back. Now this comes down and it sounds like it's breaking. So I got it pried down further right here, but I thought this was split right there and was gonna just pull this piece off, but it's all connected. So we gotta remove this Phillips screw here. And you can see, if I pry this down, can't quite see it. Up under there, when I was pulling on it, you could see the USB port. So let's give it a try. And it looks like it's moving quite a bit when I'm doing this. Phillips screw, pull it out, set it off to the side. Now I've had this in here for about 6 months, so I did notice that I got some little critters growing in here. But now this is what the board looks like, and there's the USB dongle. And I don't know why they changed this. Sorry, the USB port, not the dongle. I don't know why they changed from the other units, the old ones, and all the documentation and the videos that I found. This cover was not here, and you could just slip the dongle in and you would call it good. And I think I've got instructions here even show the same thing. So there's our USB dongle. That's the port, just for clarification. Okay, so yeah, it shows sliding it into that piece, which is all open, whereas mine was a little bit different. Now this is supposed to be the Gen 4 Pro Series 18 SEER 24K unit. So you would think that they would have, yeah, even there it shows the docking station is quite different than what I actually have. So I'll get this installed and set up. Hopefully it works good. I just want to be able to keep my garage warm enough to not freeze during the winter. So I hope this helped you out. I know I struggled with this for a while, and I just kept trying it. And well, like I said, I've had this for 6 months, and none of the information out there shows the correct way to do this. So I hope this helps. Thanks.